This is Apple Watch Series 7, Apple's 7th generation smartwatch and my very first Apple Watch. I've reviewed smartwatches from Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Realme, Garmin and a lot of other brands. But this is the very first time I got an Apple Watch to review and I was obviously very excited till I was told that this one is actually very similar to Apple Watch 6. What? Now this is also probably one of the reasons why not everyone should spend rupees 42,000 on this watch. But then who should? Who is this watch made for? Well, I'm sure you will get to know by the end of this video. So stay tuned. This is India Today Tech's review of the Apple Watch Series 7. My name is Manas Tiwari. Apple is slowly developing this habit of giving subtle changes on its products year on year. For example, the Apple Watch Series 7 comes with a bigger display, a larger battery and faster charging. It is still the best smartwatch to buy in India right now. But before I start with the review, let me remind you once again that if you are liking this video, please subscribe to India Today Tech. Also tap on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any updates from our side. Also, my weird faces. What? A quick look at Apple's own website will reveal that the Apple Watch Series 7 looks very similar to the Apple Watch 6. The new watch comes in 5 different color options. The one that I got for review is the green color variant. Apple was also kind enough to send me a separate sporty strap which gives it a different look altogether. The biggest change on this watch is in terms of the display size. The display is now 20% larger than what you got on the Apple Watch 6. You get this watch in 41mm and 45mm variants. The bigger display shows the text looks bigger and sharper. Also, for a first-time Apple Watch user, I must say that the display is definitely smoother than what I've seen on other smartwatches. The UI is well polished and the transitions are also quite seamless. Apple says that the crystal cover on the watch dial is now tougher and shatter resistant. And to make use of this larger display, you get 3 new watch faces: Contour, Modular Duo and World Time. As Apple pointed out in its keynote, the text on the Contour watch face runs to the edges of the watch. Now this looks slick in indoors, but it isn't really visible under sunlight. Another good addition to the Apple Watch Series 7 is a QWERTY keypad, which now you can use to quickly reply to your messages and respond to your emails. Now this is really handy, but the only issue that I faced with this is because the screen size is still relatively small. Editing the messages can be slightly tough. Another first for an Apple Watch here is the dust and water resistance, which gives you additional protection. Apple hasn't added anything new when it comes to the features on Apple Watch 7. You get basically everything that was already present on the Apple Watch 6 as well. You can track activities like walking, running, climbing stairs and other things. You can also use the Apple Watch 7 to monitor your heart rate and blood oxygen levels. If you own an iPhone, the watch is fun to use. There are plenty of customizations within the Apple Watch app. You can also use the watch to create memojis and play music on an externally connected device. The watch can also be used as a remote control for the camera app and it works flawlessly. If you buy the cellular variant of this watch, you can also register your SIM card and take calls directly from the watch itself. Battery backup has always been an issue on smartwatches. I was relieved to see that the Apple Watch Series 7 lasts for at least more than a day. So I was able to get 36 to 40 hours of battery backup from this watch on an average. Also now you get a faster charger, which is 33% faster than the previous generation charger, or at least Apple claims so. As I mentioned right on top, the Apple Watch Series 7 isn't a major upgrade on the Apple Watch 6. It comes with similar set of features, but you do get a bigger display. So in case you already own the Apple Watch 6 or even 5, there is absolutely no need to consider Apple Watch Series 7. For anyone who's looking to buy their very first Apple Watch, a more affordable Watch SE isn't a bad option either. For anyone else who wants to stay on the latest gadgets, yes, the Apple Watch Series 7 is a great smartwatch and you should definitely consider it. 3 things that I like about Apple Watch Series 7. For a first timer, I think I really like the design. It looks really slick. The second is the big display that you get on this watch. And the third thing is the smooth UI. Now 3 things that I did not like Well, first has to be the fact that it is still pricey. Second is the battery life, which I think even after 1.5 days is probably not enough. You have to constantly charge the watch. And the third thing is that it's still a basic upgrade at the end of the day and could have been better. India Today Tech's rating for Apple Watch Series 7 is 8 out of 10. I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.